Okay, so here we go again. All right, so if you do a search for Windows 11 security updates, I reported yesterday that yes, Microsoft will allow you to update older computers to Windows 11 if your computer is running Windows 10 just fine. Kind of. Microsoft is threatening to withhold Windows 11 updates. If your CPU is old, Microsoft may withhold security updates. Microsoft backtracks. The Windows 11 upgrade situation is more or less confusing. Yeah, if you search the web for all of this, I don't get this. But here's the thing. Here's the thing with all this. It's almost like Microsoft is daring, Chromebooks or any maker of Linux computer systems. It's almost like they're daring them to say, "Come on, dethrone us. Come on. Go ahead and take our 1.3 billion Windows users. Come on, I dare you. Knock us off the top of the consumer food chain. Go ahead, go for it." Chromebook, are you listening? Chromebook should hire Arnold Schwarzenegger. So instead of him saying, "Get to the chopper," he should say, "Get to the Chromebook." Blah.